Good Wednesday evening. Alright, we got some Bon Ami. You may have seen my Bon Ami in memoriam. Okay, so in my opinion, and everyone's entitled to my opinion, original Bon Ami is a really good cleanser for vintage aluminum. I have used it a lot. And up until 2022, you could buy 1886 formula. You could buy it a little after that, but they discontinued it in 2022. America's Natural Home Cleanser, tallow soap and feldspar. 1945. This actually says on it, new package adopted 1949. So let's figure around 1949, and I believe this is from the 70s. I'm not sure the date. All unopened. And Tucker. I bought this great value Parmesan cheese container so that I could put one of these in here. The funny thing is, this is being price gouged right now, $33.95 I think on Amazon. Is that insane? Because they discontinued it. Just for one 12-ounce can. This is almost empty. This is the modern one. I think it has 5 ingredients. 5 simple ingredients. Calcium blah blah mate, limestone, feldspar, C10, C16, sulfuric acid. Last time I used their modern version, it just wasn't cutting it. When you use Bon Ami and vintage aluminum, if it starts to turn dark while you're scrubbing, you know it's working. The last time I used this, it wasn't turning dark. It wasn't cutting the aluminum. I haven't tried the 2024 version. I thought it might be fun to do a little cleaning test between the modern 2024 and one of these. I think we have to open up to 1945. Do you know how old this is? This is like 79 years old. 79 years old! And it cost me about $13. On the Bon Ami website, it says it doesn't expire. Now they're talking about the new stuff, but maybe it doesn't expire. It's possible that the powder inside, this is cardboard, the powder inside turned rust colored on the undersides. You know, where, like, that's not bad. There's a little rust there, but it's possible that the powder has discolored because of the rust. I think we have to open one up. I'm nervous. I'm actually nervous. Now, what does it say? It says to push in holes. So it does have holes. I kind of want to just take off the top. You think we could do that? I think we have to take the top off if we're going to pour it out. Is that wrong? Is that wrong of me? Maybe I won't do this. Good Monday morning. We can't put this off any longer. I made the decision. We're going to open up the 1945 12-ounce Bon Ami powder. I tell you, I'm not even sure where to begin. We could try to... Oh, you know... Let's put it in here. Just in case it wants to spill, I'm just going to push. Oh, it's on there good. It really is on there good. Maybe pliers. Maybe I can... Nope. Alright, this'll work. There you go. Alright. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. We're opening up the We're opening up the 1945 Bon Ami. Oh, it is really on there. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh, it looks clean. 79-year-old Bon Ami. You know, it only cost me $13. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's no rust. Wow. 79-year-old Bon Ami. Don't be mad at me. Sometimes you have to do stuff like this. No rust. I'm very excited. I want to spoon it out so I don't create a dust cloud. I could create a dust cloud. Oh, no, it's not too bad. There is a little dust. Oh, I don't think I want to breathe in 79-year-old Bon Ami. I'm going to put a dust mask on. So, there's that. I don't want to take any chances. Here we go. Oh, perfect. It's perfect. Perfect. Wow. I couldn't resist buying another Guardian Service griddle. It looked new, it was scratched up, but it still had the machine lines, maybe a little sticker residue. We're going to turn it upside down and we're going to do a test. We're going to test the modern Bon Ami against 79-year-old Bon Ami. We're going to take a toothbrush and some water, 2 spots on the griddle, and see if it turns gray. We know it's cutting into the aluminum. I'm sorry, fella. You were born to be used. Born. That's not going to work. Born to be used. This guy was very cheap. Looked new. There are a lot of little scratches. Come on. These were made in like 1956 and earlier. What do you want? It's been out of a box for a long time. Machine lines are very clear. You can almost... The camera's not going to pick it up, but there's like this little round circle of... It looks like there was a sticker there. Bottom is nice and clean, but it'll be a good testing surface. Let's open up the Bon Ami 2024. I'm going to say right off, maybe it'll be a tie. Maybe modern Bon Ami will work better. Maybe it will be anticlimactic, but this is something we have to do. So I'm going to pour some modern Bon Ami in here. Got a clean toothbrush. I'm going to do one at a time. So we're going to do modern Bon Ami first. We're going to set a timer. I'm going to wet the aluminum. What we're looking for is the powder to start turning gray, a dark gray. We know we're cutting into this aluminum. Alright, we're going to take a 1/4 teaspoon of modern Bon Ami onto the wet surface. Let's wet the toothbrush. Start. Go. It's not really changing color like I'd like. It's not really changing color like I'd like. It's starting to change now at 34 seconds. Light gray. "46 seconds. Not much happening. It did change a little. Let's stop it at... We're thinking 46 seconds, 50 seconds. I'm going to wash the toothbrush. I stopped the clock at 53 seconds. I think I've had better results with the 1886. Okay, toothbrush is clean. Let's wet it. Alright. Oh, I don't have to take the lid off. Quarter teaspoon. Wet the toothbrush. I'm going to put more on here than the other one. Won't make a difference. Let's take a little off. Okay, a little off. To be fair. Okay. All right, let's start the timer. Okay, go. Changing color quicker. It's working. We're at 30 seconds and it's turning dark gray. 36 seconds, 37 seconds. Can you see the difference? 46 seconds. That's a difference. Why? That worked. Turn you off. Huh. I was actually hoping that modern Bon Ami would have done really well. This is modern Bon Ami, and this is old Bon Ami. Modern Bon Ami, old Bon Ami. So when I run out of this, I will use this. And then I don't know what I'm going to do. On eBay they sell old Guardian Service cleanser from 1956 or earlier. I don't know what's in it. I have not seen the ingredient list. We may try one of those. But I don't know what I'm going to do because I'm not happy with the modern Bon Ami, and I haven't been. It was starting to work. This just worked better. So there's that. All gone. Not really. Thanks for joining me this Monday. You know what I'm going to say. What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.